But this is the Anker. This was the other one that was recommended. So this is 140 watt high speed input and output Anker.
Hi, I'm Jeff. The universe gave me 40 different addresses while I was chasing a career in the tech world. Now, I'm chasing honest light. I don't have it all figured out yet, and I'm not sure how this all comes together. But come along as I build this channel and adventure around the U.S.
So welcome to our first unboxing. I'm starting to get some things in that I'm ordering for doing my CX50 car camping start here this spring. I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to go out for the first time, but I'm learning more, and you know, this is a new channel and I didn't want to drop the money on a big Anker. No, not Anker, sorry. This is Anker on the Jackery. I didn't want to drop the money on the Jackery just yet. I'm still just trying to figure things out. But this is the Anker. This was the other one that was recommended. So this is 140 watt high speed input and output Anker 737 power bank, power core 24K. So I thought we'd do a little unboxing on this, which I will try to do on all the things as I keep getting them in. So let's see here. Get this guy out of here. Move the box and see what we got. If I can get it out of its encasement here, we'll be in good shape. I have no idea what this is going to look like. It's fairly heavy, right? It's definitely not lightweight, so it's definitely good quality. So take the rest of this off. That guy off of there. So here's what it looks like. It's just a big, almost like a slab. Okay, so here's what I've got. I've got two USB-Cs and then the regular USB. I don't see anything else on here. That's just my fingerprints. So that's it. I mean, it looks like it's pretty simple. I will definitely have to read the directions. Let's get those out of here too. Might as well. Okay, comes with a cool little case for it to sit in. There are a couple of things inside the case here. So let's see what's inside here. Yeah, here's one of the C2C, right? C2C in there. Nice carrying case for it. And then there are our directions. So I'll figure out what I need to do with it. How much the charging time is, I don't know for sure just yet. Actually, okay, I did discover something pretty cool here. I brought it over and plugged it in to start charging it. It's got this great little readout here on the front. Shows you exactly what your charge is. So good deal. Glad that I found that. Glad that I got it going. That's the rest of it. Got it plugged in and moving. All right, hey, so a little bit of a gear update here. I finally figured out the Anker power bank. And I was charging it, and I wasn't charging it the right way. Sorry, I don't know why that won't come into focus, but at any rate, you have to plug it into the USB-C 1. That's called the 1 port. The one behind it is called the 2 port, and then there's the USB-A. But I now have it charging up. It will also give you the weather and some other stuff on here too. There, it's in focus. There we go. So yeah, just kind of runs through the screens here. You can see we're all the way up to 82. When you buy it, it comes at like 27%. And it's been plugged in here. I bought the Anker power port to plug it into the wall. And it's gone from 27 up to 82.98, 83. There we go. You can see it moving up in about, I don't know, 15 minutes, something like that. So not bad. And you can see the little reading up there on the top too, C1. So that's the update on the Anker. And now let's move over to the DJI. This I've had for a while, and this is pretty cool the way this thing works. I can actually plug this in. This, as far as I know, right now will only work with my iPhone or a phone because it has a little magnetic clip that goes on here. But you connect it via USB straight through your phone. It has a female mount at the bottom here, so you can actually mount it on a couple of different things. What I'm going to try now is, let's move this out of the way. All right, so I got this mount. This is a Neewer. I guess that's how you pronounce it. This is going to go in the car. So really cool suction cup thing here. So you put it down on your surface and then you start pumping this, and that suctions all the air out of it. And then to let it go, you just grab a hold of these two little things, push them together, and boom, it pops right off. Has some other accessories with it as well. This is to put the phone on it, right? The little extenders you can put the phone on. I don't know what this does just yet. I'm going to have to figure this one out because I don't really know. You can see it screws into something, but I'm not sure exactly what this is supposed to go into just yet, but I will figure it out. There's also some sort of a little cord that comes with it. And so here is what you clip the phone onto, right? You pull this apart, clip the phone or whatever into there, and then this goes onto that magnetic piece. And then the gimbal can also fit on this. I guess you can use this as an additional handle. And also this, the legs go out very, very flat and wide. I haven't found a use for this just yet, but I'm just getting started on all this, so it's quite possible that I will find something for that. So now let's move. I'm going to leave this space and go to a different space and show you a couple of other things. All right, so I'll see you over there in the next space. Through the magic of cinema and technology, I'm in a different space. So what I've been doing is buying some things that are easier for me to try out here at home. And so I've got some towels here, some microfiber towels. I tell you what, I'll never go back to a regular house towel again. These things are fantastic. I mean, I started off buying it for camping, but I'm going to start using these all at home too. All right, so this one is, let's see here. The only towel you'll need, it says, own less, do more. It's got a cool little hook on it. Got this at REI. And this is Nomadics. There's a company for this, right? So nice big towel. I use it all the time now. Nomadics, yeah. It's actually right on the front here. I didn't even realize that, but there it is, Nomadics. That's the big towel, all right? I also got this little package that comes with a small towel. It comes with a cool little hole sewed into the side so you can hang it up on things. It also comes with 2 sponges. And it came in some sort of a carrying case, but I'll be darned if I know what I did with it. I put it somewhere. This is Outdoor Element is the brand. You can see it's printed on one side and it's just plain white on the other side. And then one more that I just got today, got this one off of Amazon. This is Rainleaf microfiber towel. Rainleaf, this is a 16 by 32 inch towel. Haven't had a chance to use this because it just came yesterday, but this also has a cool little snapper hook on it. They call this towel the small towel. I guess they have larger ones like I showed you for the other brand as well. But this one is the small 16 by 32, and that's what that one looks like. To me, this would be like drying dishes. It might be for any number of different things. Coming back after a long hike and washing up and drying off a little bit, rather than using the big towel, go down to something like this. So the feel on all these is really very different, but they're all great. Everything I have found and tried so far is fantastic. So let's see, do I have anything else? I think I might have a couple of more things, but I'll add those in a little bit later. So that's a little bit of a gear update. Okay, thanks, and see you in further videos.